Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell on Bitmart, a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform. Selling on Bitmart is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of the platform and its features. First, you need to create an account on Bitmart if you haven't already. Go to the Bitmart website and click on the Sign Up button. Then follow the registration process, which includes providing some personal details and verifying your email address. Once your account is created, you need to deposit the cryptocurrency you want to sell into your Bitmart wallet. To do this, go to the Assets page and click on Deposit. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and follow the instructions. After depositing your cryptocurrency, go to the trade page and select the market where you want to sell your cryptocurrency. For example, if you want to sell Bitcoin for USDT, select the BTC USDT market. On the trade page, you will see a sell box where you can enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell and the price at which you want to sell it. You can choose to sell at the current market price or set a limit price. If you choose to sell at the current market price, your order will be executed immediately at the best available price. If you choose to set a limit price, your order will be executed when the market price reaches your set price. After entering the amount and price, click on the Sell button to place your order. Your order will be displayed in the order book, and once it is matched with a buy order, the transaction will be executed and the funds will be credited to your account. It is essential to note that selling on Bitmart involves fees, which vary depending on the type of cryptocurrency and the size of the transaction. Make sure to check the fees before placing your order to avoid any unexpected costs. In conclusion, selling on Bitmart is a simple process that requires creating an account, depositing your cryptocurrency, selecting the market, and placing a sell order. Always make sure to check the fees and market conditions before placing your order to ensure a smooth and profitable transaction.